Wrong size.
Hi, welcome in.
Hi.
How's it going today?
Pretty good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What brings you in today?
I am looking for a new t-shirt.
Sure. Are you looking for something casual?
Yes, something I can wear every day.
You've come to the right place. We just got some new styles this week.
Nice. I'd love to see them.
Right this way. These are our newest arrivals.
I like this one. The blue color looks nice.
That's one of our best sellers. A lot of customers like it.
I can see why. The fabric feels soft.
It's 100% cotton. It's light and comfortable.
That's exactly what I want.
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
Good to know. This brand runs a little small. Some people choose one size up.
Really? Thanks for telling me.
No problem. I'd still like you to try the medium first.
Sounds good.
Here you are.
Thank you.
The fitting rooms are just around the corner. Room number 3 is open.
Perfect. I'll try it on now.
Take your time. If you need another size, just let me know.
I will. Thanks.
I'll be right outside.
I appreciate it. Excuse me?
Of course. How did it fit?
I think it's a little too small.
Really? Where does it feel tight?
Around my shoulders. The sleeves feel short too.
I understand. This brand runs a little small. It happens quite often.
That makes sense. I wasn't sure at first.
No worries. Let's try the next size up.
That would be great.
I'll check the back for you.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Take your time.
Good news. I found a large.
Perfect.
Here you go.
Thanks. I'll try this one on.
Sounds good. I'll be here if you need anything.
Thanks. I'm back.
Welcome back. How does this one feel?
Much better. It feels comfortable now.
That's great. Can you move your arms easily?
Yes. It doesn't feel tight anymore.
Excellent. The length looks better too.
I agree. It fits really well.
I think this is the right size.
I think so too.
The blue color looks great on you.
Thanks. I like it even more now.
It's one of my favorite colors. It works well with jeans or shorts.
That's exactly what I wanted. I'll take it.
Great choice. I'll bring it to the front for you.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Whenever you're ready.
Let's go.
Right this way.
I'll take it.
Great choice. I'm glad we found the right size.
Me too. It feels much better now.
That's what we wanted. You look comfortable in it.
Thank you. I can't wait to wear it.
It'll be perfect for everyday wear.
That's exactly why I wanted it.
Whenever you're ready, we can head to the checkout.
Sounds good. Let's do that.
Right this way.
Thanks again for your help.
You're very welcome. I'm happy we found the right fit.
Me too. I really appreciate your help today.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your new t-shirt.
I definitely will. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks for stopping by.
Returning an item.
Hi, welcome back.
Hi.
It's good to see you again.
Thanks. I need a little help today.
I'd be happy to help. What can I do for you?
I'd like to return this t-shirt.
Of course. May I ask what happened?
Sure. I wore it at home for a while. It didn't feel as comfortable as I expected.
I see. Thanks for bringing it in. Was the size too small?
Not exactly. The size was fine. It just didn't fit the way I wanted.
I understand. Sometimes that happens. Different styles can fit differently.
That's true. It felt a little loose around the waist.
Thanks for explaining. Do you have your receipt with you?
Yes. Here it is.
Perfect. Thank you. Let me pull up your purchase.
Sure.
It looks like you bought it 3 days ago.
That's right.
You're well within our return period.
That's good to hear.
The shirt is still in excellent condition. That makes the return easy.
Great. I wasn't sure about the policy.
No worries. We can definitely help you. Would you prefer a refund or would you like to exchange it?
I'm thinking about an exchange. I'd like to look around first.
Absolutely. Take your time. Let's find something that works better.
I'd appreciate that.
Let me show you another style.
Sure. I'd like to see it.
This one has a more relaxed fit. A lot of customers like it.
It looks nice. I like the color too.
We have your size right here.
Great.
Feel free to try it on.
Thanks. I'll be back in a minute.
Take your time.
I'm back.
Welcome back. How does it feel?
Much better. It's more comfortable. I like the fit.
It looks great on you. I think this style suits you better.
I think you're right. It feels much more natural.
That's good to hear. Would you like to exchange it?
Yes, I'd like to exchange it.
Perfect. I'll take care of everything.
Thank you.
It will only take a minute.
Sounds good.
All set? Here's your new t-shirt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'm glad we found something that works better.
Me too. I'm much happier with this one.
That's what we like to hear. If you have any questions or need another exchange, just bring it back.
I appreciate that. Your customer service is excellent.
Thank you. We really appreciate your kind words.
I'll definitely shop here again.
We'd love to have you back.
Have a great day.
You too. Thanks for shopping with us.
Wrong price.
Hi there. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I think so.
Great. I'll take those for you.
Thank you.
Did you find your size?
Yes, thanks to your coworker.
I'm glad to hear that. Let's get you checked out.
Sounds good.
I'll scan your t-shirt first.
Okay.
Your total comes to $39.99.
Oh, I thought it was on sale.
Really? What price did you see?
I saw a sign that said $29.99.
Thanks for letting me know. Let me check that for you.
Sure.
Do you remember where you found it?
Yes, it was on the front display.
Perfect. I'll ask another associate to check the sign.
No problem. I can wait.
Thank you. It won't take long.
That's okay.
We just want to make sure everything is correct.
I appreciate that.
Thanks for your patience.
Of course.
I have an update.
Great.
My coworker checked the display.
Okay.
You were right. The shirt is on sale.
I thought so.
I'm sorry for the confusion.
No worries. These things happen.
Thank you for your understanding. I'll update the price right now.
I appreciate it.
There we go. The new total is $29.99.
Perfect. That's the price I saw.
I'm glad we got it sorted out.
Me too.
Will you be paying by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Sounds good. You can insert your card whenever you're ready.
Okay. It's processing now.
Great. Your payment was approved.
Wonderful.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
I'm sorry again about the price.
That's okay. I appreciate you checking it.
We always want to make sure our prices are correct.
I noticed that. Your customer service has been excellent.
Thank you. That means a lot to us.
I'll definitely come back.
We'd love to see you again.
Have a great day.
You too. Thanks for shopping with us.
Out of stock.
Hi, welcome in.
Hi.
Is there anything I can help you find today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for this hoodie.
That's a great choice. What size do you need?
A medium?
Let me check. It looks like the display is almost empty.
Yeah, I only see a small and an extra large.
You're right. This has been a very popular item.
I can see why. I really like this color.
Blue has been selling very quickly.
Do you have a medium in the back?
Let me check our inventory.
Thank you.
It'll only take a moment.
No problem.
Thanks for waiting. I just checked. Unfortunately, we're sold out of the medium.
Oh, that's too bad.
I'm sorry about that. We received a shipment last week, and it sold out faster than we expected.
Wow, it must be really popular.
It definitely is. But let's see what we can do.
I'd appreciate that.
We still have a few other options.
I'd love to see them.
Let me show you another color.
Sure. I'd like to see it.
We have the same hoodie in gray. We also have it in black.
I usually wear blue, but I'm open to other colors.
Here's the gray one.
I like it. It's a nice color.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting rooms are right over there.
Thanks. I'll be back in a minute.
Take your time.
I'm back.
How does it fit?
It fits perfectly. I really like it.
It looks great on you.
Thanks. I wasn't expecting to like the gray one.
Sometimes it's fun to try something different.
You're right. I'm glad I did.
Before you decide, would you like me to check another store for the blue one?
That would be great.
Just a moment.
Sure.
I checked our system. Another store has one medium left.
That's good to know.
We can hold it for you until tomorrow.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
Or you can take the gray one today.
I think I'll take the gray one. It fits really well.
Great choice. I'm glad we found a good option.
Me too. Thanks for taking the time to help me.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your new hoodie.
I definitely will. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks for stopping by.
Self-checkout problem.
Hi there. Are you checking out today?
Yes. I'd like to use the self-checkout.
Sounds good. They're available right over there.
Thanks. I'll give it a try.
Let me know if you need any help.
I will. Thank you. Okay. First item. That worked. Now the t-shirt. It didn't scan. Let me try again. Still nothing. Excuse me.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
This t-shirt won't scan.
Let me take a look.
Thanks.
Sometimes the barcode is folded. Let's check the tag.
Okay.
I found the barcode. Let me scan it for you.
Great.
It's still not working.
Really?
It looks like the barcode is damaged.
Oh. I didn't notice that.
No worries. We'll get it sorted out.
Thank you.
It'll just take a minute.
I'll enter the item manually.
Okay, thank you.
It should only take a few seconds.
No problem.
There we go. The item has been added.
Great. Thanks for fixing it.
You're very welcome. You can continue with the rest of your items.
Sounds good. Let me scan this one. That worked. And this one? Perfect.
Everything looks good now.
Great. I'm ready to pay.
Will you be paying by card today?
Yes, I'll use my credit card.
Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Okay. It's processing now.
Perfect. Your payment has been approved.
Wonderful. That was easier than I expected.
Once you get used to it, self-checkout is very convenient.
I think I'll use it again next time.
I'm glad to hear that. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Would you like a shopping bag?
No thanks. I brought my own bag today.
That's great. Thanks for bringing your own bag.
Happy to help the environment.
We appreciate that.
Thanks again for helping me today.
It was my pleasure. We're always happy to help.
I'll definitely come back.
We'd love to see you again.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks for shopping with us.